Have you ever been amazed by DTS surround sound at the movies? What if you could enjoy the same technology heard in the cinema via a mobile phone? If you're an audiophile, you're in luck. Now you can enjoy DTS Headphone X with the Asus ZenFone 5. The ZenFone 5's built-in audio wizard app provides additional sound processing options as well as a personalized listening experience. The user can select easy-to-use presets optimized for different types of music and even different types of headphones. Just open the app, choose your settings, and enjoy amazing audio quality. Users can adjust speaker and headphone output settings using the DTS GEQ. Select from 5 different modes, each optimized for a different music genre. To make additional changes, tap Custom to simply adjust the treble and bass, or access the fully adjustable 6-band EQ for fine-tuning. Tap Save when you're done changing. The button at the upper right-hand corner of the screen allows you to select 1 out of 3 available speaker effects created for different listening environments. In headphone settings, the end user will find another 7 modes and a versatile 10-band EQ allow for even more sophisticated audio personalization. Headphone users can tap the Soundstage button to access 3 different Soundstage presets. This feature creates an amazing realistic listening experience. Tap the headphone icon at the upper right-hand corner of the screen to enter the headphone profile under Personal Audio Profile. In addition to supporting ZenFone earbuds, DTS also includes a headphone database that supports models of over 400 of the most popular commercial headphones. This means listeners will be able to enjoy high-quality audio with the ZenFone 5 over any pair of headphones. First-time ZenFone 5 users will be asked to conduct a personalized hearing profile. Simply tap Listening Profile under Personal Audio Profile to start. During the test, users will hear test signals of different frequencies. The user will be instructed to slide a sidebar until they can no longer hear the test signal. This process will repeat 4 times. After that, the user taps Save. A personalized listening profile will be created automatically, which will be applied to the audio when listening via headphones. DTS technology doesn't just improve sound, it enriches the total user experience.